So we've ended up like this, lady is standing on the left leg, man on the right leg. Now we're going into the opening away from each other. Then lady is going to rotate counterclockwise, taking 4 steps, starting with the left leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4. End up in front of your partner. Your body weight is distributed between both your legs and you're placing the hands on the man's shoulders. From that point, you're going into the dip, transfer the body weight to the right leg, rotate to end up with your right side to the partner, then bend your right knee. Keep the left leg extended in front of you, tilt backward with the upper body and your head. Remember that you need to keep your hips high and avoid the feeling like you're sitting down. One more time, transfer the body weight, bend the knee, keep the hips high, tilt backward. You can lead your left hand to the side. Now let's focus on the men's part. We're away from each other in the opening. Now go back to the right leg with the body weight. Place your hands around the lady, help her stop. Place the hands on her waist. Now you're going to switch your legs. So you're going to connect the legs, switch the body weight to the left leg, bend your left knee, reach with the right leg to the side, use your hands to lead the lady into the dip. Then get out of the pose by straightening the knee. Now the most important part for the men to remember is not to bend over the partner, lean over the partner. You need to keep your back straight and bend your left knee, extend your arms to let the partner deeper into the pose, but do not lean over the lady.